In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that we call SiteStream, but we don't actually refer to it on the website as that. But it's basically a tool that allows you to take leads that you're getting from other sources and funnel those leads into your database so that you can manage your leads all in one place. So we're going to start here on the dashboard, and you guys are all familiar with this. We're going to come over to the admin section, and at the very bottom here, we're going to click on this little link that says leads from the admin dropdown. When we come into this area, what it shows us is all of the different places that we could potentially funnel leads into our eEdge database. So if you were buying leads from Market Leader, some Leads Direct, or you were doing like a house values program on Market Leader, those are going to kind of get funneled in automatically. But if you are using any of these other things, if you're blogging on ActiveRain, if you're either buying advertising with Trulia, or maybe you go out and you claim your listings, or you're doing some of the free things, the tools that Trulia allows you to do, or you're buying listings from Realtor, or buying advertising on Realtor.com or Realty Now or Zillow, any of these places, you can actually have these companies funnel leads that are generated on your behalf into your eEdge database so that you can manage all of your leads in one place. This essentially eliminates, the random emails and you trying to take that information and create a new contact in your eEdge, or maybe even got busy that day and forgot about it. The idea is let's get everything in one place so we're working all of our leads, with a system and in one location. So let's use Trulia as an example first of how we could use this email address. And this email address right here inside of this lead section becomes the key. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that email address. That's the email address that I have set up for me for my eEdge database. And again, for you guys, anytime you come into this leads section, it's going to just show you what that email address is for you. So let me jump over here to Trulia, and I'm already logged into my Trulia profile. And if you were to come up here, when you get to Trulia and you get logged in, you kind of have this navigation bar here at the top. And when you scroll over your little picture, you can come down to account settings. And that's where I'm at right now in my account settings. So what I want to do is get in here and edit my profile. So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit profile. And the first little option here at the top of my Trulia profile when I'm in the edit mode for it is email addresses and Facebook Connect. And so I'm going to come in here, and right in this little section right here is where I'm going to add the email address from my eEdge database. So I'm going to come in here. It's going to be edger9@kwrealty.com. Again, that's the email address from this area right here in the leads section under this admin tab, right? Admin tab, leads section. We get in here, we grab this email address. So we're over here on Trulia. It's going to be the email address that we add in. And we're just going to go ahead and say, look, add email address. Now, when that happens, there's going to be a confirmation email sent out to you. Now, once you confirm that, so you'll get an email, you'll go in and click a link. It will confirm this. What you want to do on this area at that point is you'll now have the option to make this your leads email or your billing or other email. What you want to do is just make this one your leads email. And so when that radio button appears there, you would be able to click it after we've confirmed our email. We'd be able to click it and have this one set up as the one that handles our leads. You always want to keep the one for billing and other as the one that's associated with your MLS. And I say that because Trulia tries to match your listings up with you and actually displays you as the listing agent. And so they do that on a feed from the MLS, or basically that main email address that you use. But you can have your leads routed out to other places. And so there's an example of how you could do that with Trulia. On ActiveRain then, on my profile page, we've got these little boxes here for somebody to reach out and contact you. And so not only does that box show up on my profile, we're actually in the edit mode of my profile, but that box also shows up on the right-hand side of my blog, and then also on any of the blog posts that I might have written. So here's a blog post I wrote about Keller Williams Family Reunion and one of our awesome panels that we had there. But you can see there's this ability for somebody to reach out and connect with me. So what I want to do is on my profile, I want to come in here and edit this box And my lead email address, I want to set up as being the email address from my eEdge database. So I'll come back in here, I'll grab that email address again, I'll get over here, and I'll say, look, if somebody contacts me through ActiveRain, I want that person to get routed into my eEdge. I want a contact to get created for them, and I want to be able to manage that contact all in one place. I would just hit save, and I'm good to go. Now, I'm not going to take you through and show you how to do each one of these things, but you can do this for Realtor.com, you can do it for Realty Now, and you can do it for Zillow, so that you make sure that when you're getting leads from these different sources, they're all being funneled into one place, your eEdge database.